guys, my name is Zoran, and do you know what I love doing the most? Helping my mom with her shoots, learning camera from Pratik Bhaiya, and troubling Naseem Bhai. I have so much fun doing this. So together, we are gonna cook some yummy and healthy food for you. So guys, welcome to my show.
So guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Zoran. And what are we cooking today? I think Zoran is going to let us know. So what are we cooking today, Zoran?
Zoodle pasta.
And why is it that you're not making cookies and making zoodle pasta?
Because my aunts, Neelam auntie and Shreya auntie requested for zoodle pasta.
And also we didn't get the right ingredients to make the cookies, right?
Right.
So can you tell everyone that what are we going to be using to make the zoodle pasta?
Yes. Zucchini for zoodles, avocados, lemon, peppers, basil, cheese, some salt and pepper, nuts and garlic.
So let's get cooking.
Do it!
This is our zoodle pasta ready. So Zoran, are you ready to try it?
Yes, I'm so hungry. I want to dig into it.
Please go ahead.
It's awesome. I've never eaten something like this before. I don't even miss the noodles. What we are doing, please like and share our video, subscribe to our channel Avocados, and comment down below what should we be cooking next time for you. Keep watching every Friday. Thank you.